Baby's out flying. Been flying for a while already. Kind of dark. Did I go down, but still just cruise. Got about 7 new ones just started flying. Still one of the while they land on the house roof, but they come back. They go back to the there, right there, one on the house. They're not allowed to land on there unless it's hawks. Oh, like now. They just cruising, flying low already. They like come down. Figure let them out, kind of cool. Just let them do a couple laps. Make you dizzy. Damn. The oldest is right now is about 3 months. Youngest is about a little over a month. Some of them showing sex already. They fly good though. I had a couple hit the roof right there on the gutters. Bust all their chest kill bone. 4 or 5 of them from the hawk. The hawk scared them off the loft and gung-ho. Couldn't make it up the roof fast enough. Stupid. But they still can breed. Still fly top shape though. They're going through their moat too. It's so annoying when they do this. Then they'll turn around, go the opposite way. They do that when they're ready to land. If I let them. I try to fly them at least an hour around the loft. Surprised that they're not ranging as they used to. But the older they get, they stop ranging. But I still make them fly. I'm not gonna be racing this year, but next year I probably will if everything goes right. If not, I gotta wait till the following year. I like racing young birds a lot. I like the challenge. I like when I'm the only one at the end of the season with the most birds and everybody stop because they cannot handle. Never fails. Some guys, they talk in the club, oh yeah, it's because you get plenty of birds. When he told me that, I said, okay, watch this. Brought 3 birds that next race. He said, where the rest of the birds? I said, that's all I flying. And guess what I took? First top 5. He can eat his own shit. Never talk shit after that though. I breed birds to fly them and race them. And taking them on every race, is, for me, is like training them. And if I drop them, great. They weren't worth keeping. Regardless what the problem is. I fly nothing but Fabries. Everyone is on Fabry, one family. Same family, I'm the only one that knows this breed. I downpacked it already. Been breeding them since 1990. It's a long time breeding the same family. But it's all good. Okay, well, top flight lofts, Hilo, Hawaii. I'm getting dizzy over here going around and around. Thanks for checking them out, guys. Any questions, holla. Thank you. Bye.